Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Applied DNA Sciences. The report was first published on our website Wednesday, August 3, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Applied DNA Sciences? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since August 2, 2022, our system ranks the Applied DNA Sciences stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 0.000. This is an average return of 23.21% per day since first recommended. The stock getting 0 in score indicate that our system expect high volatility and risk for the following trading day, and given the latest development are not able to determine the next direction as it may go both ways. In our daily updates for Applied DNA Sciences, our last headline reads, Big movements in Applied DNA Sciences Inc. stock price on Wednesday moving 60.45% between high and low. The Applied DNA Sciences Inc. stock price gained 46.43% on the last trading day, Wednesday, August 3, 2022, rising from $2.80 to $4.10. And has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day, the stock fluctuated 60.45% from a day low at $3.59 to a day high of $5.76. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 464.12% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -2 million shares, and in total, 108 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $442.85 million. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $6.97, and the lowest price was 62 cents. Right now the price is 41.18%, or $2.87, below 52-week high, and 79.18%, or $15.59, below all-time high November 12, 2019, where the price hit $19.69. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -7.54% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -84.89% and -7.54%. The 12-month trend indicates a -60.76% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -100% and -60.76%. This equals a price between $0 and $1.61 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From Analyst's Applied DNA Sciences stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Applied DNA Sciences stock and sell rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Applied DNA Sciences. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The Applied DNA Sciences Inc. stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $1.48 and 97 cents. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 1, 2022, and so far it has risen 502.06%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 78 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart. gave a buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 243 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for applied DNA sciences. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition the stock may perform very badly in the next couple of days. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $2.17 between high and low, or 60.45%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 62.82%. Next upcoming earnings report for Q2 2022 is expected to be released August 11, 2022. The consensus among the analysts are minus 31 cents. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. The stock does not have any support from accumulate volume below and may therefore fall very hard and fast given the right conditions. Caution is warned, and you should not place any bet unless you're a skilled trader and know how to play these cases. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for applied DNA sciences is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On November 1, 2021, Shamash Yakov A made an inside buy of 11,937 of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On November 1, 2021, Shamash Yakov A made an inside buy of 19,897 of incentive stock option, right to buy. On November 1, 2021, Jansen Beth made an inside buy of 25,205 of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On November 1, 2021, Jansen Beth made an inside buy of 19,924 of incentive stock option, right to buy. On November 1, 2021, Shorik Clay made an inside buy of 25,205 of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 59.852. In total, the insiders bought 7,921,771 and sold 2,246,434 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $3.99, minus 2.66%. This stock has very high daily movements and this gives very high risk. The RSI 14 is 92 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 2 days ago. Is Applied DNA Sciences stock a buy? Applied DNA Sciences Inc. holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Thursday 4th, we expect Applied DNA Sciences to open up 38 cents and start trading at $4.48. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.